So hello guys, welcome back to my channel APS Tech. So guys, today I will be unboxing the Mivi Commando X9 full RGB gaming earbuds. As you can see, these are the earbuds. The price is only rupees 1500 for 1499. And if you want to buy the product, the link is in description. So guys, let's unbox the product. First we will see the box. So you can read the instructions. 35 ml low latency for gaming and environment noise cancellation with quad mics, latest Bluetooth 5.3, full RGB earbuds. So guys, these earbuds actually have RGB lights. You can see the product from outside also. HD stereo and lossless audio, proudly made in India. So guys, this is actually made in India. Okay, so you can read the instructions if you want to. So now let's unbox it without wasting any further time. So it is properly packed, and again, if you want to buy this, the link is in the description below. So guys, now let's see the box again. So this is the box. Looks pretty cool, black in color, green and black theme. Mivi push the limits. So now let's take the thing out without wasting any further time. We will keep this thing here, and this is the customer warranty. So guys, they actually give a warranty with the earbuds. So welcome to Mivi and Commando X9. This is a manual, user manual. Here you can see the user manual. Package includes Mivi Commando X9 charging cable, charging cable, and a silicone gel tips. So we will keep the thing aside, and now let's check out the main product. And here it is, guys. It looks pretty dope, and oh my god, the RGB lighting, that's literally amazing, guys. I hope you can see that, the lights. Oh my god, in 1500 rupees, that thing is amazing. If you want to buy it for gaming or listening to music, it's a great product, and you can check out the thing. So let's open it and take it out. Oh my god, big lights. Okay, we keep it aside, and let me focus again. Okay, let me turn off the lights of my room, and let's check out the look. So guys, as you can see, I have turned off the lights, and the look of the thing, the RGB lights. So when you open it, the RGB lights automatically turn on, and look, that is pretty dope. Amazing it is. And the RGB light also changes from here, and let's keep it back, and you can see the look at the sides also, and here also. So guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Mivi Commando X9 RGB earbuds. So full review will be out on my channel tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You can check that out also, and how to set it up will be out soon. And this is available in many colors like black, red, and yellow. The link is in the description below. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for full review of this amazing product. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Peace.